All right, I just got this side project finally working. Had a couple bugs to fix and just kind of put it to the side for a while, but got it going finally. So this connects to OpenAI Assistant through the API. I've got a prompt here telling it to help me generate some data for some code screenshots. And then that gets sent to this service, Showcode.app, which you can use here in the browser, or they have an API. So I'm generating the raw data for a set of screenshots and then sending that to the API. And so I'm going to give it a prompt here that I want some sample data about PC parts and 3 ways to calculate the total. And so it will create a thread, add this message to that thread, run the thread, and then repeatedly check the results until I get something back that has this data structure. So it's like 4 APIs with the 4th one in a loop until it gets something. And then once I have this data, I can send that off to the Showcode API and start generating images. Or I can change it on the fly here. So it's conversational. It'll remember. And I can say, let's change it to data about home security. And so it remembers the previous prompt and will build on that. And then it adds a message and then keeps running the thread. So we'll see the data change here, the items that are in this sample data and the prices. And then it will also update the resulting price because it's got some different numbers up here. And so it changed the full set. So I'm going to go ahead and generate the images now. And it loops through the table here, sending these parameters off to the API and generates each image. And then you can see sometimes the width, we got 2 here that need fixed. So instead of generating the full set again, I set this up to where I can just fix one of them. And that wasn't quite enough, but you see how it readjusts. So you can do that a few times and then save the full set of images. So this one was home security. And then you can send that to Baserow and it will save the full set of images to a single row with this one name here. So come back here and refresh. There it is. And then this way you can just quickly generate the full set of images with just a prompt and a couple clicks, and then post that on social or write a tutorial.